Hello students. In this video, I will cover the following topic: the progress of the movement and tribal revolts in Northeast. It is given in your book, page number 37 and 38. Now let me ask one question. Do you consider anyone as a hero possessing heroic qualities? I think most of your answer will be a big yes. He or she may be an actor, politician, player, etc. The qualities that make somebody hero are courage, selflessness, humility, patience, and caring. Likewise, the hero for the tribal was Birsa Munda, whose main aim was to reform the tribal society and establish Munda Raj by driving out the British. Thousands started believing that he was Bhagwan and had appeared to solve all their problems. They became his followers. Birsa Munda rebelled against land grabbing by non tribals and protested against the exploitation of intermediaries like zamindars and moneylenders. Although he belonged to the Munda group that lived in Chota Nagpur, other tribals of the region, such as the Santals and the Oraons, also joined him. You know, children, what worried the British officials? The political aim of the Birsa movement, because they wanted to drive out missionaries, moneylenders, Hindu landlords, and the colonial government and set up a Munda Raj with Birsa at its head. As the movement spread, the British officials decided to suppress it. He was captured in 1895 and jailed for 2 years. Children, after his death, some of the Mundas were hanged, whereas others were transported to a distant land as a punishment. Although the movement faded out with Birsa's death, it was significant from two points of view. First, it once again proved that the tribal people had the capability to protest against injustice and express their anger against colonial rule. Secondly, it forced the colonial government to pass such laws so that outside elements may not grab their land easily. Here in this slide, you can see some tribal movements that took place during 1765 to 1919. As you know, children, the northeastern region of India consists of seven states, also referred as seven sisters, namely Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, and Nagaland. In this slide, you can see the different tribes. These tribes, they are basically from northeastern states. Tribal population is quite dominant in this region. Due to continued oppression, many tribal communities stood in protest against the exploitation at the hands of British rulers. In Manipur, the disunity among the princes of the Manipur royal family led to war between this kingdom and the British. In Meghalaya, the Khasis stood in revolt against the British to construct a road passing through their area. They revolted under the leadership of Tirath Singh. Khasis created much panic among the British officials. In Assam, the land tax that the farmers had to pay to the government was quite high. The British government confiscated the lands of those farmers who were unable to pay taxes. This led to a series of protests by the farmers against the British administration. You know, children, why our tribals could not compete with the Europeans? Because for their outdated weapons, and the Europeans, they had the advanced weapons to fight or to do warfare with the tribals, and the British were able to suppress the revolt. Thank you, children.